Look in your nearest post office on the wanted posters.
Excellent idea.
Nice to see you, Lyman and Judy, even though I can't see you from here.
Here's how it came out.
Our feature stretch.
Well, don't stop there.
Well, I don't know what else to say.
Well, give us a grand tour.
34%.
Oh, wonderful.
We're plugged in here, so we can't go far, but I suspect we don't need to.
Isn't that big? I mean, we have the kitchen here.
Okay, hold on. We're following you. Got it on wide angle. Okay, point everything out.
Which is full of tools and supplies.
Well, point.
This one.
Well, give me your hand. I'll follow your hand. Okay, now what is it we're supposed to look at here?
We have tools and supplies.
Move your hand in closer.
That I use every day.
That's a tool. Looks like a laundry basket.
Yeah. And this is a model.
A model?
Which one of these days I'll finish building. We'll see that later on in the tour.
It's a ship.
Yeah.
Very good.
It's a frigate.
Okay. Okay. I'll leave that alone. Okay. Go ahead.
Other than that,
Please, to continue.
We have a refrigerator.
Oh, can we open the refrigerator? See what's in the refrigerator.
Basically nothing.
Well, hold on. Let me get a telephoto here. That says thick sliced sandwich. Okay. It looks a little weird down there on the bottom, Rich.
Now let's see, we got some strawberries left over.
Oh, hey, hold on. Hold the strawberries. Let's get a close-up of the strawberries. Okay, nice. Are those New Mexico strawberries?
Yes.
Excellent. Okay. Bought and paid for in New Mexico.
No, actually, I get them free from a friend of mine who sells produce.
Okay. All right.
Are we done with the strawberries?
Yeah, and I'm whited out. What's in the freezer? Can we see the freezer?
Yeah.
All right. And
Let's see, we have ice cubes.
we do. We also have frost.
Yeah. And we have elk meat.
Elk meat. Well, the thing that seems to be showing up the best is the Formula 409. But okay, go ahead.
Well, that's above the freezer, not in the freezer.
Oh, well, wait, hold on. Now, here's the rather more interesting part about the refrigerator.
This butt's for you.
This butt's for you. Okay, well.
I'm sorry about that, Judy.
I'm sure he is. Okay, we're moving further into the kitchen now, really getting deep into trouble. And I stubbed my toe on the toolbox. Okay, what else?
Well, we have a dirty sink, dirty dishes in it. No.
Dirty dishes in the sink. Okay, go ahead.
All right. Then next we have a stove.
Oh, interesting. I've never seen one of those before. Are you taking all this in, folks? Okay, go on. What else?
Then down here we have Nike's dog bowls. That's my dog.
All right, we'll get her in a minute. Okay.
You know, she is a big dog. She needs big bowls.
Oh, I'm sorry. I almost switched to the frying pan there. And what is that in the sacks there? 1, 2, 3 sacks. Interesting. It might be noted, the cameraman was told specifically not to film him with a beer in his hand, and I'm specifically avoiding that. You had a comment, Richard.
Then we come up to my toolbox, which you've passed.
Toolbox, where?
Go down.
Go down. Oh, that's a toolbox. Okay.
Okay. You know, a nice thing for having in a kitchen, right?
Yeah.
You know, everything you could possibly need in a kitchen.
Right. Okay.
You know.
And what do we got up top here?
Just the cupboards. And
Cupboards. Oh,
see,
do we get to see the cupboards?
Trash bag here.
Okay, for recycling, no doubt.
Yeah.
They're into that here in New Mexico.
Well, you can see, the cupboards, they're well stocked.
Okay, and kashi, whatever the heck that is.
Some kind of cereal, I believe.
Green beans. All right, well, we got it all on film. We can look at it later. All right, moving right along. We got a nice little serving bar here with plants on it, which gives us an interesting view of some pictures on the back wall there in the bedroom. Okay, well, and a hard hat. Don't forget the hard hat. Okay, it was the hard hat. All right, F-I-C-A. FICA. No, F-I-C-H. Oh, it's R-I-C-H. It said you just say rich.
It's just been used too much.
All right, well, let's back out here.
You can go back into the living area.
Okay.
Watch your deal here.
Excuse me?
I was watching the box. We have the couch.
A couch, which tonight is going to serve an entirely different purpose.
It's going to be your bed.
It's going to be my bed. This is my deluxe accommodation here. All right.
Then over here we have the entertainment center.
Well, sure, go ahead and make me walk to the other side of the room.
Well, it's a small room. Just don't go too
Yeah, but
far.
I got. Oh, I see that. Okay, we got the TV.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Got the TV, you know, the stereo, and the
Okay.
VCR. over here.
Speakers, a Stein.
Yes. Up here, this is the frigate.
The
we were
frigate.
talking about before that I'm trying to build.
Oh, okay.
Sitting behind the antique drill. You know.
Okay. Interesting. Okay, go ahead.
All right. Well, I guess done with that part of the room.
Oh, I got the speakers, Bose speakers, genuine.
Oh, yes.
And this, of course, is the hat rack. Okay, more plant. Oh, who's that? That's Nike. Hi, Nike.
Say hello.
Hello. Whoops, we got our own cord in the way here. Now we're going to go this way and turn around while our host gives us more direction. More
Okay. This is Nike's Christmas toy.
Nike's Christmas toy. Okay.
Is that your sweet?
Hi, Nike. You're on film, kid.
Interested in that.
Not now. Okay.
This is the
That's-
bed.
This is the bed. And of course the very good wall decorations.
Yes.
Okay, now somehow I don't think I can go far enough to get this last room.
No, probably have to move the cord.
I'm at my length, aren't I?
Yeah, right there you are.
Okay, well,
Wait, just put it on pause.
and I believe we're looking at the laundry room.
Okay, now next, this is the closet.
This
We have another VCR and
Oh,
it needs to be worked on.
this is going to be tough. Let me get a little closer here. I'm moving around the bed to do this. Oh, hangers, wire hangers. They still use wire here in the Sunshine State or whatever they call this place. Land of
Land of
Enchantment. Yeah.
Sunshine is Florida.
Well, also South Dakota put a claim to that title. And we're getting awfully fuzzy for some reason. Why is that? I was having a hard time focusing. There it goes.
All my interesting clothing.
Yeah.
Well, here,
Okay.
of course, we have to get the Lehigh jacket.
Oh, just a second. I need to back up for this. The Lehigh University. Oh, we can't see the whole logo, Rich. Oh, there it is. Loud and clear. Lehigh University.
From my parents. They thought I would like this, but I really don't think it's my style.
Okay. Now, for the very last, we saved the best for last. Oh my goodness! It even comes with lights.
Grand tour of the bathroom,
All right. Well, let's just.
which
we'll
you
move
can't
in
go
here.
real far with your cord.
Well, you'll keep me plugged in, I'm sure.
Okay. I have to
I'm
follow
looking at a blank wall here. A mirror. This is exciting.
to get the fishing
Now we're
poles on top of the
Fishing pole. Oh, yeah, there it is. Fishing pole on top of the mirror. Okay, a window, a towel that's dry, a genuine shower curtain, and which means, can the shower be far behind? Look at that, there's a commode, a sink, a commode tank, a roll of toilet paper, a tub. Got to get in close to look at this tub here. And oh, he has not used Babel in a few days, has he?
The bottom of it is scraped up. That's not that it's not clean.
Okay, that's his excuse. I will let him explain that. You were saying?
No, the tub's clean. It's just been scraped down to the
All right.
below the porcelain.
And you want us to believe that?
Of course,
Okay,
it's the only excuse I have.
whatever you say. And of course, here's the living room window.
Where you can see my van, my Mustang.
Well, we'll do that in the daylight. And I think, oops, there's Miss Comfort herself.
Say hi, Nike. Well, tell her. Tell him, pretty. Tim,
Can you speak?
come on. Tim. Tim. Well, don't step on the cord. Tim. Tim. Oh. 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 Hey, come here.
Okay.
Tim. 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 Oh. Come on. Come on. She's not in the talking mode right now.